Good morning, you guys. As you know, I'm not there today, so I thought I'd walk you through the 3 con skills that you're going to be working on today with Mr. Carlson. If you really get, I don't think you're going to get stuck on these, but if you do, we can go over them on Wednesday also, but please work on them today. These should be assigned in your con, and check these out, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so first one is exponential growth and decay. When you are looking at growth and decay, all you're looking at is what I like to call the multiplier. Okay, this is the number that's being multiplied by itself, t times, right? So if that number is less than 1, you are talking about decay. If it is greater than 1, you're talking about growth. Okay, so this amount out here is your initial value. We're not worried about that for this skill. The multiplier is really what's important. So if that is less than 1, you're going to have decay. If it's more than 1, you're going to have growth. So in this case, it's 0.8. So that shows that you have a decay on that one. Okay. I thought I could click through these, but it's not letting me. So let me do that on my other page. Okay, and the last skill that you're going to use is called graphs of exponential functions. Okay. And so what it's going to ask you to do is match the graphs with their function. Okay. So remember that you can always find your y-intercept. Easiest thing to do is find 2 points. Okay. You can either work from the function back or you can work from the graph, whichever you want to do. Okay, so I think it's easier to work from the graph, find yourself 2 points, and figure out where they match. So here you've got a point at 0, 2. Come here. You've got a point at 0, 2. And another point at 1, 4. Oops, that should be a 1, 4. And then you've got another point at 2, 8. Okay, so you've got multiple points you can use. So you've got 0, 2, 1, 4, 0, 8. You can literally just plug in your x values to the graphs below and figure out which one you have going. I think that's the easiest. Okay, so 2 to the 0 power is, we're going to check this one first. 2 to the 0 power is 1 times 2 is 2. So that checks out. 2 to the first power would be 2 times 2 is 4. So that checks out. Oh, sorry, this should be a 3, not a 0. And then 2 to the third power is 8 times 2, which is 16. So that one's out. That one does not work. Okay. 4 to the 0 power is 1. So that one's out because that should be a 0, 1. So we don't have that one either. Okay. And then let's go to 2 to the 0 power. So 2 to the 0 power would be a 1. So it's not going to be that either. Let's see if there's a fourth option on my other page. Oh, go back, guys. See what I did here? This should be 2 to the second power, not to the third. So this answer is actually going to work. So 2 to the second is 4 times 2, which is 8. So that does check out. So that answer is going to be A on that one. Sorry about that. Okay, we'll do one more of these. I think you guys should be able to figure these out pretty easily. You guys have actually already done these in IM1 and IM2. Okay, so again, you're going to find your y-intercept. So remember, y-intercept is always where you use x as your input, or sorry, 0 as your x input. So 4 to the 0 power would be 1 times 2 would be 2. So we're looking for a y-intercept of 0, 2. Okay, and then do one more point. So if you put in 1, 4 to the first power is 4 times 2 would be 8. If you wanted to do it for good measure, 4 to the second power would be 16 times 2 would be 32. So you're looking for a pretty steep curve on that one. Okay, so of the pictures we can see, let's see, 1, 8. I'm guessing it's going to be B because that's much steeper. I'm thinking it's going to be B. Let me go back to the other page and check. So A is the right answer for that one. went back and checked. So those are the 3 skills for today. I think you guys are going to be fine on these. If you need help on them, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be back on Wednesday and I can help you with them then. Have a good day. Be good for Mr. Carlson. See you soon. Bye.